mostly our cervical flexion, because I have really weak flexion and I'm always in extension because these muscles are really tight. So what I'm trying to do is lay here and let gravity elongate this back of my neck part. And then the exercise is like doing a crunch, but it's with just your chin and you're trying to activate all of these muscles right here. So it goes like this. Nice and neutral spine. And then you're gonna tuck like you would for a crunch, but really make sure that you use these muscles, okay? So we're gonna tuck, it feels weird, look towards the belly button, shoulders come up just a little bit, and then relax them down. Oh, you should feel gravity. Feel these muscles respond to gravity. That's how I know mine are weak. They're like, oh shit, my head's gonna fall. Let's try it again. And then when you hit the ground, let the back of the neck relax all the way so you get that traction too. Let's do it one more time. Exhale.